Let's find basic perimeter of a square. So to find a basic perimeter of a square, basically you simply add up the lengths of all four sides. Since all sides of a square are equal in length, if S represents the length of one side of the square, then the formula of the perimeter P is nothing but 4 times of the S, that is a side. So if you know the length of one side, the square, you can multiply it by 4 to find the perimeter. So if you see in a square, all the four sides in a length are equal, so that the length represents S, then perimeter P, length S, P is nothing but 4 times of the S. Let's take a simple problem. What is the perimeter of a square with the side measuring 5 centimeters? The question is, what is the perimeter of a square with side measuring 5 centimeters each? Let's get down to that square, which has four sides. Each side is a 5 centimeters. So to solve this question, you would use the formula for the perimeter of a square, that is nothing but P is equal to 4 times of the S. S represents the length, that is nothing but 5 centimeters. So if we take the square, as we know, all four sides are equal, and that representing S, in this case, S is nothing but 5 centimeters. Our perimeter formula P is equal to 4S, that is nothing but 4 times of the 5, that is nothing but 20. So our question is, what is the perimeter of a square with side measuring 5 centimeters? So as we know, the formula is P is equal to 4S. The length S is nothing but 5 centimeter. Our formula P is equal to 4S. Substitute length with the 5, that is nothing but 20. So the perimeter of a square in this case is 20 square centimeters. Thank you.